So what's up mga ka-idol, ituturo ko po ngayon kung paano papalitan yung TIN number na mali yung binigay. So punta tayo sa Facebook. Punta tayo kay Professional Dashboard. And wait lang. Professional Dashboard. Then punta tayo kay Support Meta. Yan, support. Contact agent. Kailangan yung magpa-blue badge guys para ma-contact nyo nang madali si Facebook. Active, kuan ba? Active. Ano yun? Active chat. Connect with agent. So, connect with agent. Connect with agent to nito. Yan, open chat na yan, open chat. Kailangan talaga magkuan. Kailangan talaga verify yung kuan mo, yung may blue badge, yung Facebook mo. Ito yung chat namin ni Mita nung ako'y nagre-request na ayusin niya yung TIN ko. Kasi yung nilagay ko na TIN is kuan mali, phone number ko ay hindi pala yun eh. Kaya nag-request ako kay Mita kung paano ba change yung TIN number kung nagkamali tayo ng paglagay. So sabi ni Mita, hi, nag-request na ako kay Mita doon. Sabi ni Mita, hi, you're in the right to place, an agent will be here and so on. Estimate what is 2 minutes. So 2 minutes yung reply niya. So hi Christian James Lopez, thanks for contacting Admita Pro Team. I'll be helping you today. The reference ID for your issue. So may reference issue sa aking ID is 356751019008353. So I understand that you need help with correcting your tax identification number on your Facebook account tax from. I will do my best to help. So kuan daw kanang gagawin nila lahat para ma-change yung TIN ko. So what should I do? What should I do? I hear you much. This is impacting your working. Thank you for clearly outlining issue for us. So, I pass this information to the team. So, pinasa na yung information niya to the team niya. And your issue, basta mag-chat kag kuan, yung iba, chat siya ng your issue is 3567. So, okay, Mita, thank you. So, this is automatically message. So naghintay ako ng kuan, mga ilang minuto, nagchat yung Mita, hi, thank you for waiting, we still attend to your shortly. Okay, Mita. So this is an automatic response. So nagchat na naman siya, hi, thank you for waiting, we will attend to your shortly. Hi Christian Jim, thank you for it looks like real. So ito, hi Christian Jim, thank you for waiting, we have received response from our dedicated team. It follows, it looks like you will need to create a new payout account. So mag-create na ako ng payout account ko with your update information. To create a new account, please visit the unique link. So binisit ko yung link na yan. Pagkatapos ay binigyan nila ako ng ng page transfer form. So tignan natin yung form. So ito yung binigay nila na form. Tignan niyo yung form nila. Kailangan nyo itong fill upan para ma-identify ni Mita ba ito. Ito yung page transfer form, payout source transfer acknowledgement. So yung mga gagawa kayo ng payout account nyo na bagong account nyo na ipipill up nyo dito, yung bagong account nyo, yan. Mita platform is required acknowledgement of the following acknowledgement prior to transfer per source. So ilagay nyo yung mga information dito na make sure correct yung information nyo. Yan oh, yan. Palong. At ito pa rin, yung transferor payout account ID, part 1 identification of transferor, and part 2 is identification of recipients. So yung itatype nyo dito, yung mga kuan nyo, yung payout account, kagaya ng Land Bank or Land Bank ID or the video ID or kuan, PayPal. Yan po page. sign of here, the signature. Madali lang yan. I-search nyo lang kung paano to fill upan, madali lang to eh. Yan, pagkatapos niyan ay nag-send ako ng kay Mita. Saan yung chat namin ni Mita? Saan na yun? Ito. Back natin. So nag-send ako kay Mita. Ito yung akin, no. Saan yun? Yung sinend ko sa kanila. Ito. Yan. Yan yung pinili ko. Christian James Surface. Yun yung ko PayPal account. Yan. Yan o. Yan lang. Tapos nag-wait na ako ng nag-wait na ako at naayos na yung TIN account ko. Naayos na rin yung payout account ko. So ganyan lang po guys. Sundan nyo lang po.